Good morning, teachers and all my friends. My name is Mahesh Sharma. Today is 15th August. Today we are celebrating 78th Independence Day. This is our biggest national festival. Today we remember those freedom fighters who sacrificed their lives for this country. This day teaches us about the power of unity. I love my country and I am proud to be an Indian. So, friends, let us all together take a pledge today that we will make our country the best country of the world. Jai Hind, Vande Matram, Bharat Mata ki Jai. Wish you all a very happy Independence Day. Thank you.